it? Tell them.
With the high dive in Seattle.
So freaking talented, and I didn't mean freaking. I'm trying to keep it family. Oh my God, that was so good. Get off my stage, you talented man. Give it up for Ellie, guys. Oh my God. Isn't it? Oh my God, I'm floored because there's so many talented people that like aren't on the radio. I would love to hear that shit on the radio. That sounds so good. Elliot, oh my God, all those notes, whatever. I can't hit those tonight. But this next song, I'm so floored, that was so good. This next song that we're gonna do, we do a thing called fan request every show. And if you haven't been to our show, I let somebody from that audience pick the song on social media, and then we learn the song that day. And it's always a different song every night. Sometimes it goes over well, and sometimes it doesn't. Tonight it should go on, because I love Patty Griffin, and Michelle Lynn actually requested Patty Griffin's song Rain, and I love Patty Griffin. She's my favorite singer-songwriter, so I hope you like this version. This is Avon on guitar, y'all. Give it up for Avon. That was so good. So good. It's hard to listen to a heart